Hello, 你好, I'm Sharon. Welcome to I Like Mandarin. Today we are going to learn some more daily Chinese greetings. Good morning, good night, have you eaten? If it's the first time you visit my channel, you can go back and watch the previous video to see more Chinese basic greetings. Please press your subscription before we begin so you won't miss out any episode of our show. The first sentence we are going to learn is good morning. If we meet our friends or family at the morning time, generally before 10 a.m., we could say good morning. There are 3 ways to say good morning in Chinese. The first one is 早上好. The second one is 早. The third one is 早安. 早 and 早上 means morning. 好 means good. 早上好 means morning good. Generally, people speak 早上好 in China. If you visit Taiwan, we will say the second and the third one, 早 and 早安. As we just mentioned, 早 means morning, 安 means safe. 早安 literally means morning safe. When you climb a mountain or jogging in the morning time, you could say 早 or 早安 to the people you meet. Even they are strangers, most of them will respond to you 早 or 早安. As most Taiwan people are very friendly. Okay, please repeat, follow me. 早上好, 早上好, 早上好. The second one, 早 and the third one, 早安 When Chinese people say 早上好, 早 or 早安 to you, you can respond the same answer to them. Let's practice in conversation. 早上好 早安. Let's move to the second sentence. If we meet our friends or family at the noontime, generally around 11 a.m. to 13 p.m., we could say 午安. 午 means noon, 安 means safe. 午安 literally means noon safe. Please repeat, follow me. 午安 When Chinese people say 午安 to you, you can respond 午安 back to them. Let's practice in conversation. I say 午安 and your turn. 午安. Very good. The third sentence, good night. You can say good night, 晚安 to your family or friends before go to bed. 晚 literally means late. 安 means safe. 晚安 literally means late night safe. It's very sweet if you could say 晚安 to your family before go to bed. Please repeat, follow me. 晚安 晚安 晚安. When Chinese people say 晚安 to you, you can just respond 晚安 back to them. Let's practice in conversation. I say 晚安 to you, and your answer is 晚安. The fourth greeting way is have you eaten? 吃了吗? 吃饱了吗? Normally, when we meet friends or family around mealtime, we will use this sentence to say hello. If you really want to speak like Chinese instead of foreigner, you could use this term to say hello. 吃 means eat. There is an easy way to remember this pronunciation. You just imagine to eat chili pepper. As you know, chili pepper is very hot, and 吃 is just like the first syllable of chili. 吃了 means have eaten. 吗 is a question particle that we learned in previous videos. You can go to check them. And the next one, 吃饱 了吗? In this sentence, you can see there's one more word, 饱 than 吃了吗? 饱 literally means full. 吃饱了吗 means are you full? If you ever be a guest of Chinese family, normally they will cook a lot of food to serve their guests, and after meal, they will ask you the same question too. So please repeat, follow me. 吃了吗? 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 吃饱了吗? 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 When Chinese people ask you 吃了吗 or 吃饱了吗, you can respond 吃了 or 吃饱了 if you have eaten your meal. If your answer is no, then you can say not yet, 还没 or 还没吃. 还 means still, 没 means no, 吃 means eat. 还没吃 means haven't eat yet. Please repeat, follow me. 吃了吃了吃了吃饱了吃饱了吃饱了还没吃还没吃还没吃 Now let's practice in conversation. In first situation, you have eaten your meal. When I ask 吃了吗? And your answer will be 吃了. You ask me 吃了吗? My answer will be 吃饱了. In second situation, you haven't eaten your meal. 吃了吗? And your answer is 还没. You ask me 吃饱了吗? And I will say 还没吃. The fifth Chinese greeting way to people you meet often, we usually greeting them by saying something related to what they are doing. It's the most common Chinese greeting way, but you need to know a lot of vocabularies to make those sentences. For example, if you meet your neighbor when you are going to work, your neighbor will greet you by asking, Are you going out? 出去呀? Or Are you going to work? 上班啊出去呀出去 means going outside, huh? 上班啊 means going to work, huh? These sentences are usually used to someone you know well. As if there's a stranger come to me and say 出去啊上班啊 That will make me feel uncomfortable. Okay, now please repeat, follow me. Are you going out? 出去呀出去呀出去呀 Are you going to work? 上班啊上班啊上班啊 If the answer for the above question is yes, then you can just respond by 是的是的Please repeat, follow me. 是的是的是的 Now let's practice in sentence. I say 出去呀 And your answer 是的上班啊是的 Now let's move to the number 6, the last way we greeting to people we meet often. That is say hi or hello. Especially for young people. I bet it's a good news for you to know. Okay, this is today's class. Please leave your message, which sentence you like most in today's class. Or you can tell me what do you like to learn for Chinese, and I will add them for further video list. In next video, I will show you how to say Chinese number from 0 to 10. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up. subscribe and click the bell. Then you will receive more free videos. I will see you soon. Bye bye.